Ever had an audio file, like a podcast, lecture, or meeting recording, but needed slides fast? Today, I'll show you how to turn audio into fully formatted slides using Smallppt in just a few minutes. First, visit smallppt.com to get started. Click on AI Slides, then select Import File to start uploading your content. Next, choose Upload Audio and upload your file. Multiple audio formats are supported with a 10 megabytes limit. After uploading, set your preferences, including the number of slides, target audience, language, text length, and AI model you want to use. Click Generate, and Smallppt will create a slide outline for you. You can tweak it based on your needs before creating the full slides. After confirming the outline, select a slide template and click Generate to produce the slides. Smallppt also has a large template library, so you'll have plenty of designs to choose from. Click Generate to create your slides. Your slides are ready in just 1 minute. After generating, you can continue editing the slides, adjust the content, layout, or visuals to match your style. Finally, click Export and Share to download or share your slides directly. If you want to turn audio into slides quickly, try Smallppt with your own file and see how it can help you create slides faster and easier. Thanks for watching.